Welcome to our Kiddie Clubhouse.
In day to day life, kids are much involved in gadgets, so you parents help them to do daily simple activities which improves their creativity. This rubber band activity strengthens the hand muscle, develops hand eye coordination, and concentration skill of the kids. For more activity regarding the fine motor skill, have shared the link in the description box. Please do check it. Very good. Next. What color are you taking? What color is green? Very good. Beautiful.
Please like and subscribe Kiddie Clubhouse channel. Click the bell button for more videos.